Imagine having a tool that puts you in the position to have the right message at the right time. The new and needs contact feature in BoldTrail Vitals does just that, helping you track new contacts and leads as soon as they are generated. It's a game changer for real estate success. Locating new leads is crucial. With BoldTrail, all leads assigned to you are easily accessible. Remember, only leads with valid contact information make it to your report, ensuring quality over quantity. Understanding the criteria for lead inclusion is key. Auto-imported and manually created leads are counted, but bulk imports aren't. This ensures you focus on the most relevant opportunities. The BoldTrail Vitals report for new leads that need contact will help you convert your contacts into real conversations. Take advantage of the automation tools and take action with your new leads today. Check out the step-by-step guide below to learn how. Just scroll down a little bit. Thanks, and have a great day.